When it comes to construction, precision and reliability are everything. And that's where the Mack Granite Mixer, equipped with the powerful M-Drive transmission, sets itself apart. Imagine a system that not only streamlines your work, but also cuts costs, lowering fuel expenses and maintenance demands. In this video, we'll show you how the M-Drive advanced technology makes curb pouring easier, more efficient, and more cost-effective for construction pros like you. Let's dive in. Meet the Mack Granite Mixer chassis, a powerhouse designed specifically for the heavy demands of construction work. This durable model combines robust engineering with optimal power, making it a trusted choice for tough, all-day jobs on the site. Let's zoom in on the M-Drive transmission, an automated manual transmission crafted for heavy-duty applications. With the M-Drive, fuel efficiency is optimized, driver fatigue is reduced, and overall performance is enhanced. Designed for precise control and efficiency, this transmission keeps you in control, even in the most demanding situations. Now let's go through the steps of programming the M-Drive transmission to pour a curb. When you pull up to a job, select manual mode to drive, which locks it into gear. From there, drop the transmission down to C2 or C1, depending on the speed at which you need to move while pouring. Now the truck will be locked into gear for a low-speed operation. With everything set, it's time to begin pouring. First, position the mixer accurately along the curb line. Engage the M-Drive transmission, maintaining a steady flow that lets you pour smoothly. Monitor the process closely, adjusting as needed to keep a consistent line and pour. Using the M-Drive transmission provides distinct advantages. You'll experience greater precision with accurate control over speed and power, making it easier to get the job done right. It's also incredibly efficient, saving you time and effort with a streamlined, reliable process. Finally, by automating some controls, M-Drive reduces driver fatigue, enhancing safety on the job. And there you have it, a complete curb poured with the Mack Granite Mixer and the M-Drive transmission. We've seen how this system offers precision, efficiency, and safety to handle any construction task with ease. Ready to evaluate your own operations? Contact us today to learn more about the Mack Granite Mixer and its M-Drive transmission.